Aeolian Landforms. The process of erosion, transportation, and deposition of the Earth's surface due to wind.
Water features.
Wadi, a dry riverbed that contains water only when there is heavy rainfall. During times of heavy rainfall, rivers form in valley-like areas, which in time causes erosion and creates a deeper valley. Deposition occurs when the water dries up and is unable to carry the sediment load anymore. A playa is a dry lakebed at the bottom of a wadi, which is periodically covered by water that either filtrates into the ground or evaporates, leaving deposits of materials. At the mouth of the river where the water empties into flat land, sediments of clay, silt, sand, and gravel called alluvium accumulate to form a fan-shaped landform called an alluvial fan, a process of deposition. This process repeats over time and deep valleys form from erosion while sediments accumulate and deposit, causing alluvial fans to get bigger. A bahada is formed when two or more alluvial fans come together along a mountain and deposit sediments evenly onto one area.
A bahada is a depositional feature. Canyon features.
Canyons are deep, narrow, steep-sided valleys that are formed by the movement of rivers, weathering and erosion, and tectonic activity. Plateau, a flat, elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounding area. Canyons start off as a flat plateau, and through weathering and erosion, the water pressure of a river cuts deep into a riverbed. Sediments from the riverbed are carried downstream, creating a deep, narrow channel.
A mesa is an erosional feature which is an elevated, flat-topped hill with steep sides. A mesa forms as water and wind continuously erodes the weaker, softer rock, leaving a chunk of the stronger rock standing. A mesa is an erosional feature. As water and wind continue to erode the land, more and more of the softer rock get eroded, and smaller versions of mesas called buttes form, which are also erosional features. Catrock is the hard, durable surface that many plateaus, mesas, and buttes are topped with, protecting them from erosion of the soil and rock underneath. Wind features. A sand dune is a mound of sand formed by the wind. A barken dune is a crescent-shaped dune with the horns pointing away from the wind. It has a gentle slope facing the wind and a steeper slope, also known as a slip face, facing away from the wind caused by wind eddies. Barkens are formed when sand accumulates around a stone due to wind and builds up the dune due to deposition. Sand erodes from the windward slope and deposits on the slip face. When barkens reach its maximum height, it starts to travel forward in the direction of the horns. A mushroom rock is a rock in which its shape resembles a mushroom. They are an erosional feature in which abrasion caused by small rocks carried by wind erodes the softer and weaker rock at the bottom, leaving the stronger rock behind at the top, which creates a mushroom shape.